Okay. So, let's see. That's working. That's working. This is not working. There we go. Now that's working. Nice. Um, no errors yet. Good. Oh, let's see. Oh wait, that's not going to be playing. I don't have audio set up. Okay. That work now? Mhm. No, it doesn't. Oh, wait. What? Oh, second. Spotify's being stupid. Let me see. Need to troubleshoot Spotify. What are you doing? I need to restart me. There we go. Audio's a little loud. I think it's fine. It's probably fine. It's probably fine. Let's see. Get that out of my way. Now I can see. Wait, can't see half of chat. Why can't I do that? What are you doing? No. Come on. What is this thing doing? It's a. Oh, okay. We have chat. No. Okay. So I can see chat. I can see chat. Hi, Farrell. Monty, how are you? Oh, can you hear me well? Yeah, probably. Yeah, mic's on. Good. See. Okay. So let's get started on this. Hmm. All right. Let's see here. A little slow. Okay. Do I want to open this? Yes, I do want to open this. Hmm. Okay. See, do we have anything? Hmm. Let's see here. Oop. There we go. Now I can actually. Okay. Good. 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 So let's see here. Hmm. Let me see here. Let me see here. So we have to. Uh, let's see. All right, we need an interaction button added. Let me see. What am I looking at? These aren't my controls. My controls are in first person. They're in blueprints. They're in um let me try something in my settings. Let's see. What's this? Hmm. Let me see here. Okay. Hmm. See. Okay. So what I'm gonna do next, after being super distracted for like 20 minutes, actually gonna focus now. We're gonna go here. Oh, I remember now. I need the controller. Where's my input? Oh, there's an interact button. It's E. That's what I want it to be. All right. Nope, that's actually the screen I wanted. Just the wrong tab. We want to be here. Hmm. So if this is true, we want to set. This is hard to read. We want to set this to. Wait. To text name in name none. What am I doing in this block? Oh, no one cares about this. What I need is take this block here. And I'm gonna take this. Wait, actually no, I just need this one line, don't I? Gonna add this in. Gonna do that. Target is gonna be, well, what's our target here? It's gonna be this. It's gonna be that. And the value is going to be, I think, blank or none or is this a string or is it a text? So we'll call it a text. Hmm. To text string. Can I just see this? Oh, this has so much. Oh, I can set that. To text string, and the string's going to be literally nothing. And so now, okay, this should work. Yes, colors are perfectly fine. Yeah, I still need to fix that. We have text, so nothing. Oh wait, Well, that says hello, which is interesting. I was not expecting it to work like that. Wait, what? Let me move this over here. Let's see where I messed up here. I'm getting the message hello, but I'm still not getting this, which is weird. I thought I had this fixed. Oh, you know what it might be? Is that this thing's just too close. Let's try making this a lot smaller. See if that fixes things. Oh, I wanted to check this actually. I want to look up what the proper etiquette for this would be. So let's Google that. See. Hmm. So let's see how I can build a UI in this. UI widget blueprint. See if I can add that. UI, it's UI, not GUI. Under the user interface. Let me check this out. Add. Okay, wait. Nope. Blocking my chat. There we go. Content browser under user interface, select which. I don't see that. All classes, user interface. Let's see. That is not here. Where am I looking for this then? In the content browser. Oh, wow. Okay. I will just add that into here, I guess, for now. Add, and now we want user interface. Here we go, user interface. Oh, widget blueprint, that's what you want? Hey, comment. Well, let's just use user widget. Let's just use user widget. Let's see, what should we call it? We'll call it the HUD. Hopefully this works well for a HUD. And then we double click on it. And we have all these things here, which look great. So for HUD, the first thing we want is text. And we want the text here. How can I tell how big the screen is? Like, where's my screen in the grand scale of this? Oh, here we go. I saw it for a second. Wait, I'm confused. How do I... Wait. Okay. I mean, this is just gonna be a pretty straightforward line of text. I don't know how this is gonna render exactly, but let's see here. The text is gonna be, let's just leave it at text block. I want it centered though to start with. How do I center this? Justification centered. Okay. Find widgets. That means nothing. At least not that I understand. Compile. It should cause errors. So how do I tell what this is? I guess I'm going to just keep going through this tutorial here. Let's see what this tutorial says to do. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Let me see. Do I add that in here? Oh, we use anchors. That makes sense. So where's the anchors again? They are in details. Okay. So I have anchors. That makes sense. So I want to anchor it into the bottom of the screen, of course, which requires me to, where are my anchors? Oh wait, am I looking in the wrong spot? Size to content. Hierarchy. Oh, find widgets. There's nothing I can click on here. Okay, I don't see where they want me to set up the anchoring for this. Let's see. We'll bring this screen back. So we have this problem here. That does not look like that. I don't want input. Library. What is this? Name slot? What does that look like? I cannot add this in. There's gotta be some. Let me think. Oh. I am so confused. Wait, where'd my screen go? I lost it. There you are. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Widget Blueprint offers a designer tab, which is okay, that's fine. Yeah, that's what I did. Palette window contains several different types of widgets that you can use. Uh-huh. In the details panel for the text widget. I must be missing. That's just not here, my man. That is just not here. This, it does not exist. Rigid reflector. I don't think that's the solution. I just want the anchors. It is not here. Do I need to set it to graph? No. What if I do this? Wait, it doesn't let me do that. Hey, it's not letting me do anything. What? What's going on now? Why is this not working? Why can't I add anything in anymore? What what is going on with this? This is so spontaneous. So now I cannot add anything in. Why would that be? Why would they do that to me? Who designed this game engine? I need to have a conversation with them. Because this doesn't make any sense to anyone ever. It does not let me drop that in. It doesn't let me drop anything in. Why doesn't it let me drop anything in? Or it doesn't let me drop anything in anymore. What? There is no reason that this is this complicated other than to make it complicated. Why can I only have one object in my UI widget? That makes no sense. This, that doesn't help anything. This is a complete... Why would you do a complete overhaul of this? Okay. I guess UE5, because apparently I don't think they've finished documentation for UE5. Okay. Yeah, they have decided. Yeah. So what happened here is that they just skipped documentation for 90% of UE5. So not even they know how this thing works. Great. Maybe a YouTuber did something on it. That's a 40-minute video. I don't want to watch a 40-minute video. I just want someone who knows how to do this to explain to me how to do this. Let's see if this is any good. Here we go. A widget is a UI element. That sounds... Okay. Yeah, that's what I want to do. Yep. All right, so we did that. Widget blueprint, UMG designer. Good, good. Actual stuff. How do these people figure this shit out? Because I can't figure it out. The area contains a visual representation, creating a text widget. Yep, so we dragged and dropped that in. That's the exact thing we did. Now go to the palette panel. palette panels number 3. Okay, now go into the palette panel. Wait. So this didn't give me a I don't have a canvas panel. Are you kidding me? So I have to go. What happens if I delete this? There we go. Why wouldn't you just give me a canvas to start with? Did you not think I would want a canvas? Can I add an anchor now? Oh, we solved half the problem. I want to anchor this. I want to use anchor so that it like actually lines up. Can I do that now? Yes, we can. Anchors. We want to anchor this to the bottom. Did that actually do anything? This isn't moving it at all. This isn't doing a very good job of anchoring. I don't understand what anchoring is doing. It looks like it's all for show. Well, that's not how my anchors look like. Maybe because I have a slot, anchors. Wait. Let me see how they do it again. Okay. Yeah, hit 0. Why don't you center? Oh, this is a new text. It might not have centered that. How do I find the font justification? Font justification, where are you? Where are you? Do I have to search for you? I have to search for you too. Okay. Justification. There. Why'd you go into the right corner? I want you to be anchored on your very center of this object, not the corner of this object. Come on. Oh, maybe I did this wrong? No, why wouldn't you solve that? Oh, this is... Aha! By breaking it, we fixed it. That's great. Now I just need to move the Y position upwards. That is downwards. There we go. So anchor, bottom of the screen. Well, I have no idea what that did. We'll keep it like this. Nice. I'll keep it like that for the moment. All right, next step is, where's my guide? There we are. So we have that. That's good. That's good. That's good. Let's make a counter. I don't need a counter. I need a see. I need a way to add this into the game. create. All right, so here we go. Here we go. This is the good part. The graph. Create blueprint, add to viewport. This is the good stuff here. All right. Let's see. Can I just... It would be great if I could do this in my blueprint character. Make my life just that much easier. Actually, at the moment, I want that HUD to be always visible. Is it, like, visible by default now? One thing I want to do is I want to take this thing here. I don't want to delete it. I just sort of want it to not be here for the moment. No, that's... Oh. I didn't want to change the name. I want to change the value. There we go. The value is back to normal. What I want to do is change the... the text. Where's the text? There's the text. There we go. Nice. So let's see if the HUD magically shows up. I doubt it will. No. Yeah, we don't care about that error though. See. Let me think. Let's see. Hmm. Okay. So what I need to do, you're gonna take this. I'm having a hard time focusing today. But what I need is to take Hmm. I'm just zooming in and out of this right now. I need to take something. Yeah. Do I need to do that on the world? No. What did the guide say? Hmm. Do I need to do this in the game manager? Wait, this isn't the craft mode. Wait. So we want to take game manager. And then well, I mean, we might as well just follow this tutorial because I don't like the way that's worded. It seems weird to me, but whatever. And we want game manager. Hmm. Well, this is not the same thing they say. But it's also very similar to what we want. We can rename this to uh, game manager. Again, they say double click on it to take us. Wait. Oh, click compile. Double click on that. That did nothing. Um, this is a little different than what their instructions say. Oh, great. This is different than their instructions. Let me see. Maybe I need an underscore. This just doesn't exist here. Great. Dead end. The instructions conflict with reality. Shouldn't be surprised though. Let me see. Oh. Okay, let me think about this. So I have this problem here where this does not exist. What are you doing? I am scrolling. Why are you interpreting scrolls as... Stop, I'm using the scroll bar. I am scrolling with my mouse. And now mouse clicking doesn't work. Right clicking doesn't work. Right. This... Okay. Try that again. UI. Is this the actual... This does... Oh wait. This is Unreal 4, isn't it? Thank you for no documentation. Alright. So I need to go to page 3 or something. Okay. What are you connecting this to? You deliberately... Maybe I can add this in. What the fuck am I looking at? Oh, I'm in the wrong blueprint. Add. Um, what? Let's see if I can do this. Just with this here. And just add HUD as a component. That's searching, right? You... Nope, I can't do that. Let me think here. This should have a... Oh, it has a... Uh, okay, I have an idea that's better than theirs if it works. So I'm gonna add a... That's a variable? I don't even know. Why do I have so many new variables that don't do anything? All right. Actually, I do want a new variable called HUD. And no, it's not a... Okay. A base class of the head up display. This is... Wait. Okay, so they already have something for the HUD. So that's not confusing at all. I think I'm gonna go with my own custom HUD. Let me check this out. I need to look this up here. So they have a HUD, and then I have a HUD. Everybody's got a HUD. I'm fine with, I'll just use my own HUD. And we just won't use the base class. That sounds smart. We call it custom HUD. And then I'm going to go to my construction script. And so when this is made, we are going to follow the instructions again. We're going to be back on the instructions. Where are the instructions? Damn it. I clicked on Firefox. There it is. All right. And it disappeared because, okay, we need to put this in the corner. Why did Steam pop up of all things? Okay. Create HUD widget. Create HUD. Wait, why doesn't this exist? Oh my god. Why does nothing ever work the way that they say that will? Widget, widget. We'll just look for the word widget and reverse engineer. Why can't I create a widget? What is going on with these backwards instructions? This just literally doesn't work. Oh my god. Why can't you just make things work the way you describe them to? Why does everything have to work differently? I want you. Can I create from here? Create. Widget. Oh my god, the instructions never match with reality. Does this do something? This means very little to me. Maybe add to viewport. What if I do that? Add to view. That's not a real function call. Oh my god. All this has been made up. This whole thing was just made up. I don't understand. They provide no instruction on how to get here. I followed these. I went to graph mode, and you know what? There's no such variable called game manager. You made up that variable just to fuck with me. Maybe they made up this function earlier. Maybe this was something they made up in like step 2 and I skipped because step 2 is completely irrelevant to me. Don't care, 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 don't. Wait. Let me think. Where is it? Where is it? Let me check this. Every time this disappears, it's kind of annoying. I want to be able to see this in the corner. Okay. So we have event graph. This doesn't. What do you want me to use? There is no game manager. You made that variable up, and now I have to. Why do I have to reverse engineer this for you? Why can't you just tell me where this is? Why is game manager a secret component? Let's see. Is it in here? No, it's not in here. It's not in here. It's nowhere. You made up this variable and you expect me to find it somehow. I went to the blueprints folder. It's right here. Wait. But this still doesn't help me. This isn't in here. Your instructions are lies, and it's very frustrating to me. Why would someone lie about how this works just to bug me? I'm stuck with this because these instructions are terrible. This doesn't exist. This isn't a thing. There is no Blueprint Game Manager inside the Blueprints folder. You made that up. This has got to be it. Let me see. Let's assume this is the right one again, even though it's different names. Event begin play. Okay, so we add this. And then why do I have to restart the game manager? That doesn't make any sense. Why do I have to set up camera? Fine. Restart. There is no restart. Oh my god. Okay. Let's see here. Set up camera. That better be a value. Oh my god. None of this exists, you maniacs. There is no reset. There is no restart. Oh, there it is for some reason. Now it shows up. That's reset. Oh my god. Well, of course that shows up because I spelled it wrong. There is no restart. Okay, we'll just assume that this magically works. And then we say something about the camera. Set up camera for some reason. Alright, we're gonna use the word camera. It's not gonna be any of these casts. It's gonna have to be a function. There is no setup camera or anything remotely like that. This is so unbelievably, ridiculously frustrating. Okay, we're gonna go with something else. Let's go with Unreal 4 and pray to God that Unreal 4 okay. Now they're providing some real instructions here. Except for it's all encoded in Unreal 4. Meaning that I have to figure this what the modern day equivalent is. Open level blueprint. Thank God. And now What do I do? Add actions to this blueprint. Create widget. Oh my god. It's actually working. Select. We want HUD. Is there? Beautiful. Thank God. Do I really need to promote it to a variable? I guess so, if I ever want to call it again, right? Promote to variable. New variable. True UI or something. Let's call it the HUD. Base. It's our main heads up display. And of course, I lost my Firefox page again. Again. It just keeps disappearing. As can be expected. Let's see. Ooh, audio's kind of scuffed. There we go. Variable name. That's fine, I guess. I kind of want this to be public so that I can access it. We want to do add to viewport, of course, that sounds fair. To viewport. This is so much better. What the? No, I don't want to do that, but I do want to do on this. What are my events? Um, let's see. Maybe if I just use the word event, we can figure it out from there. Event begin play. That's the words we want to see. There we go. We're gonna compile this. No errors. This was quite the side quest. Come on. If this works, I can delete my text field. Yes! 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 Woohoo! It worked! 1 inch at a time. That's how we're gonna make this game. So now I have to go to let's see. So now I have to go to the event graph. I have to swap these texts with those texts, right? I just need to change this thing here. So what I need to do maybe I can search for level blueprint. Get level. Sounds good. Hmm. Hmm. Let me see. How can I reference this? Hmm. Well, let me think. Get level blueprint. Let's see if this worked. Hey, it worked. Do you know what that means? It means I can cut. Yes. Paste. Oh, great. I forgot what this looked like. Let's check again. This is the wrong search. This is the right search. So I want to set. Oh, I want to do this. Um, oh, wait. I don't know if this will work. Error? That's fine. I think I know what I did wrong. Wait, let me think. Hmm. Let me think. No, wait. That. That work? Yeah. The property associated with unnamed. Why are you called unnamed? Hmm. Property associated with unnamed could not be found. Maybe I need to compile that? And then compile this? Hey! Let's try something. Get HUD base. Get this. I want to see how this works. Nice. I mean, these are the same code, so it doesn't matter. Let's see how this looks. I don't know if this will work or not. Nope, that didn't work. I'm not surprised though. Yes, that makes sense because I never set it. So we need to do a set right here. Or rather right here. Wait. So what I need to do, I think, I need to do a set. No, HUD base. We want to set that. And we're going to set it to this. And we're going to do this. We're going to do this. We're going to pass this. That should work. I am 50% sure this will work. I hope it will because I don't have many other ideas. Yes, it worked. I'm so smart. I'm the smartest. And now I can communicate with it without having to deal with that. I can deal with it within the player blueprint class, which will be a lot easier for me to work around. Nice. So let's change this text. No, let's change what text do I want to do first. This one. So I need to change this to the get HUD base, and then the name of it is the, why don't you have this? Can I just directly call preferences? I hope I can. Let's see. HUD base. Well, let's see if I can get that text block. It doesn't look like it. Not at this exact moment. This is public? No, this is the visibility. So, bindings. Let me see how this can possibly. I have several ideas for how this could work. Not sure which one's the best plan though. Hmm. Let me think about this. Hmm. Let me think. I know this. Wait, what the hell am I looking at? Oh, I'm in the wrong blueprint. That's why everything's so confusing. So let's see. Behavior widget. Get. Let's see if I have anything good. I think I'll have to get a variable from here. That's fine. Maybe. You are going to be of type text. And you're going to be named bottom text line. And then we're going to go back into the designer. Or can I go in the graph here? Let's see. We're going to go to the designer here. We're going to tell this thing here's what the fuck is this? Okay. Bind. Create binding. Oh, wait, what? What is this? Where did this get? Functions get text. That was interesting and not really what I wanted. Okay. We want to delete both of these. Delete. All right. So what I want to do is we actually want to bind it to that variable. Where is it? Oh, I'm looking in the wrong field. Designer. I'm making a well, so right now I'm trying to make a let's see. I kind of want to make a sort of would be it's like a my overall ideas are like a treasure hunting game. With the idea kind of being that there's going to be like a lot of like environmental sort of interactions and stuff like that. Where so right now I want to create sort of this climbing advanced climbing system, right? Where I am just let's see. The idea is that I'll have like these rocks, sort of like how you'd have on a rock climbing wall, and then you'd like actually have to climb this kind of in a more manual manner or whatever. So that's currently what I'm working on right now. But actually, that's not what I'm working on right now. That's what I was planning on working right now. I'm trying to set up a right now. I'm trying to set up a pretty simple heads up display. I'm not so that basically can give notifications of like kind of okay, you're near this wall, you need to do this and interact with that. So I'm not quite actually to the point of building that mechanic quite yet. I'm actually working on the display notifications, so I'm a little ahead of myself. But that's what I was planning on doing today, and I ended up kind of distracted on this. Um, how did I end up with an error message? Oh, I think that's because of my weird bindings. Um, color? No, it's in the text. Here we are. Remove binding. We want to bind it to this. Okay. And let's see. Okay. I think that should be. So now I should be able to. Uh, where am I? We have. Oh, this text field here. So we want to change this text renderer to our heads up display text. It should be bottom text. We have set bottom text. Okay, I've confused myself a little bit. This set is a little different than that one. We have this here. And then we're going to say again, set bottom text. Oh, wait, actually, no. What I can make that a little more efficient by just having everything go to this. Wait, let me think. No, I can't do that, can I? Because that would complicate things more. It would be better to have two statements, I think. So that way I can pull from the localized here, and then get that target there, and then get this to branch to this here. That looks really weird. I don't feel like this is gonna work. I don't know why yet though. But I feel like I'm gonna get error messages. Head getting and compile. That's good. Let's see. Have any compile errors here? No. Am I able to change that text? Not at the moment. I might have to go. Let's see how this works. All right, and if I get close to this, I get nope, but it doesn't work. That's expected, kind of. Let's see. Oh, I should have checked to make sure. That's the old error message. That's, I guess, fine. So, let me look closer at this, see where I'm messing up at. We have wait, that's called an object reference. Object reference. What do you think? Okay, I think object reference is fine. Let me think. Where am I missing here? We have two texts. It takes us to this text here. Hmm. Let me check, see how this. So if I take the bottom line text here, uh, 1 second. No, this isn't on loop. There. Oh, why is my music not working? 1 second. I can fix this. Maybe. Figure out why it's not working. The output there. Oh, it's because my own speakers were so low I couldn't hear it. That's why my music was messed up. Okay. That was my own mistake. Alright, that's fine, that's fine. Alright, so maybe I have this binding logic wrong. So let's see. UE widget change text. Let's see. Let's see. Someone asked this question. It's probably a simple answer. How can I update? It doesn't want to do so. Create a binding. That's what I did. Do so. Click the bind button and create binding. This will open a get text 0 function. Wait. Why do I want to get text when I want to set text? They said set. So this conceptually is the same thing as me. I must be overlooking something. Let me think. What could I be overlooking? And why is that in the wrong tab? My soul. Let me see. Why did my live stream get shut down? That's disappointing. Well, anyways. Looks like everything's working on Twitch at least. YouTube crashed though. That's bad news. I don't know why it crashed. Okay. Okay, let's see. This is pretty detailed. You'll get the get text 0, which you can pass in to get whatever text you'd like. Oh. Oh. Huh. Let's try something a little different. I think I conceptually misunderstood. So let's create a binding. We have get text. So we have this function get text, return value. So now we have this here, and it's called get text. Let's rename it to get text. Okay. And then let's go back. Oh wait, compile it so that stuff gets passed over. Okay. Now let's see. This is not. Wait. Let me think. Let's see. We should get. But the problem with this is. Let me see. Local variables. Wait. Let me think. This seems very wrong. I'm curious what this will do, but I think it's completely off. This just doesn't feel right. Let's see. Yeah, this doesn't seem right. I want to be able to call that function outside of the class, but I can't make a function public somehow. Oh, maybe in here. Maybe we have more stuff. Access specifier. Yes, we want it public. Get text. Ooh, there it is. Why couldn't I find this before? I think it's because I was searching for it backwards. Wait. This is get. I want to set. This is still doing. Let me look at this. Which you can use to pass. I can't pass anything into this. This to populate the return value. Ah. Wait, when I spawn my widget. You can update that variable anytime runtime to update the set to displayed on your widget. Okay. Wait. So I think I don't need to do this. I think this might actually work right now. Based on that description, there's a chance it'll work. There's a 1% chance that it works. So let's try it and see. I'm not optimistic. All right, come on. I don't know why I'm testing it in such a weird way. This isn't very optimized because I'd much rather have this. No, not this. This be sample text so that I can actually see if this is even working. And wait, let me think about this. Actually, no, that doesn't matter. Let's see. Let me think. So we have this, we have this. This thing doesn't work right. Well, that would have explained some of the problem. I don't know why I set that off of public, but okay. That should be fine now. Great, just great. Variable name, variable type, description, the text field, right? Why don't I have a default value? Well, it's sample text, and let's see if it works. There we go. There's that. And does this do anything? So, good news, bad news. Good news is that that doesn't work, but it could work someday. Now, this is clearly updating, which is good. But we have some other problems. Let's see. Hmm. Let me think. I can think of a solution to this. Hmm. So, what needs to happen is what we have. Okay, that's fine. Hmm. I actually want to take this. There we go. We're going to take that. And we're going to take, what's that? Ooh. Okay. We're going to take that. We're going to take this, maybe this, maybe. I don't. That sounds good. Wait. This needs to connect to that, which, God, this needs to be physically cleaned because this is a mess. Compile that. Now we can get my text, and this should still run to here. There's no reason it wouldn't. So now we can see if I am connecting properly to my table. I am nearly 100% sure I'm not. But to guarantee that, yeah, there you go. Let's check to see. I'm gonna bet that this will say hello when I run close to it. We'll get that message on the log. Yes, we do. Okay, so the problem is going down up here. At least the first problem is. So, how do we get to this? Table ID is not working. Of course. Oh, let's see why this isn't working. Is there a thing? There's our thing. That's not our thing. Try this. Hey, we got it. Nice. This is exactly what we want. It's working perfectly. There's really weird lag between this and that, but that is kind of acceptable. I will accept that. I am more than cool with that. Oh, the reason there's lag is because, okay, the lag actually makes sense. So the last thing I need to do is we need to go back to the HUD. We're going to turn the sample text into absolutely nothing. Let me think. Is this, I don't know if this code's cleaner than, I think it might be better to add a variable here to pass in. Let's try that. Let's see, inputs. We're gonna add an input. It's gonna be of type text. We should, in theory, be able to do this. I really don't like the name. That's really bothering me. That feels better. New parameter. We have to rename that parameter to new text or text. Value. I guess that seems good. Let's see. Oh, where's my error? Where's my error? Property, script, text delegate on widget, member, set to. What? What is with this error message? Okay, I think I know where the problem sort of is. It doesn't like this. Let's try this. Wait, this has some issues still, right? Let's just get rid of that. Yeah, we don't need that. Who needs that? Let's try this. Let's see what this does. Let me see. Come on. Yeah! Got it. It still works, which means this doesn't even need to exist. Ah! Got it. Okay. Alright. So we fixed. Alright, so let me double check that that works. But it should. Everything should work. Oh, right. I have to clean this up because this is entire nightmare. Alright. Let's get this nightmare fixed. After I check this to make sure. Oh, is it? Okay. Great. Awesome. So everything's working. I just need to clean up this code because this code is a whole mess of its own. Like, what the fuck is this? This isn't even remotely ready to jump input. These here I want to keep, but they also don't want them all connecting to the same point. That doesn't make any sense. We're gonna break this link. In fact, we'll delete that. That one's not too important. We'll keep this for now. Let's see. Let's clean this up, but let's figure out. So we obviously we're not gonna need this because we're not using it. Landscape shoot, we're not using that anymore. Oh god. We're not using landscape anymore. Text to string. Yes, we actually do need that as a blank field. Oh right, we're not using this text renderer anymore. Don't forget about that. Delete that. Set text. Delete that. Set text. Awesome. Yeah, a little spitty, yeah. Let me see. This is the same. No, wait. No, this is slightly different code. This is two different variables. Let's see. Does it look? I feel like it looks cleaner if I just stack it like that a little bit. I prefer it like that. And then this can go up here. Get level, we don't need that anymore. And then that's passing in blank for that. All right, we'll get this all lined up. There's our branch. And there's our set. And I don't know where I want to put this. I don't want to put it. I still want to keep the print text for now. So it'll look a little sloppy because of that. There, that looks a little cleaner. And then I'll add a comment so I can remember what this is. And then this is for climbable notification. All right, let's see. Oh, I just noticed you followed. Thanks for the follow. Oh, thanks. You have a good evening. It's getting late for me too. Let's see. So this is nice and clean. So the next step will be this, getting this line of code to activate on a, oh wait, no, not this line of code. We need to have interact button. What is this doing? Why are you here? What do? You do nothing. Okay, I'll figure out why you're there later. Right now, next step is to, while this notification's going, we have climb prompt true. And if the prompt is hit while climb prompt is on, then we'll enter climb. So we need to get the event for input. Do we have we already have a button for interact. So let's get that started. Why are my comments so brighter, much brighter than theirs? Well, doesn't really matter. So let's see. So the next step. Let's see, I forgot what I was talking about. Where am I doing? I am doing, oh, the event is going to be event no, enhanced input action. Input action. And the enhanced input action is going to be or maybe I just say I have the, do I have it on here? No, I don't. What did you call it? Oh, I do have it here though. IA interact is the default they have. I will use. IA, or maybe just interact. Will you figure out what I mean by that? No. IA underscore interact. There you are. Found you. What? Misclicked. IA interact. Oh, you did work. Oh well, it's fine. So we have interact pressed. It's triggered, and I'm actually, now seems like a good time to stop the stream. So I'll stop it. Get back to, I might work on this a little bit later, but this way I don't feel like I'm too long. Okay. So I'll end the stream here.